Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 108 in the active specification. So we originally sold this car from new and have taken it back in part exchange. It's got a full service history with ourselves as well. It comes with the touchscreen that features DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. You get air conditioning, a speed limiter, and the car is free to tax. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1 litre petrol engine that gives you 68 horsepower. It's done 21,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.